The JAHJAH Foundation relies solely on your support to continue their work in Kingston and Trelawney, Jamaica. JAHJAH Foundation needs you now more than ever to extend its reach to the Savannah Lamar Hospital. I'm Dervan Malcolm, inviting you to join us August 20 at Sanders Studio, 525 Waverly Avenue, downtown Brooklyn, 5:30 p.m. to 11 p.m. Go to Eventbrite, JAHJAH Summerfest or jahjahfoundation.org.
Hi, I'm Dr. Alfred Dawes, Senior Medical Officer of the Savannah Lamar Public General Hospital. The JAHJAH Foundation has adopted our institution. They are assisting us in becoming a world-class healthcare provider. We have challenges with space, we have challenges with resources, and JAHJAH has committed to help us with our infrastructural development as well as the provision and training of staff for the equipment that they will provide for us. However, they need your help. We need your help. Please support the activities of the JAHJAH Foundation as they try to help us to become one of the premier hospitals in the English-speaking Caribbean.